Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we are going to basketball games. I feel like lately this is my channel. We're going upstate right now to a beautiful school. This neighborhood, oh my gosh, the views are gorgeous. Well, we're about to walk in right now. My daughter is knocked out, so she took a nice nap. It's 3 o'clock right now. After this, then we're gonna hit up a Knicks game, and they're playing the Celtics, so it should be a really good game. Super excited going with friends, and let the vlog begin. I did not bring my vlog camera, so I'm videotaping on my phone, and I don't like it. I ain't doing this again. Also, my haircut is bomb. I'm obsessed. The products that they put in my hair, like, I need to add to my cart right now. I'm just debating if I should use up what I have or throw away what I have, really, or donate it. And then, because I feel like I have so much product. So either use it up, or I could give it to my cousins. I don't know, we'll see. My in-laws just pulled up. They're about to park, and we're gonna head in. Hope we win. Let's go. Uh-oh, Kenny dropped it. Ew, drop it. Ew, dirty. You can play with this stick. Another game, and we're inside the car. Oh, I'm asking him if he's cold because he's wearing a vest. And he said I'm not his mom. And then he asked me if I have his phone. Like, am I not your mom or am I your mom? I mean, you get what I mean. You're cold. Put this on. I don't need it. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Okay, another thing is I used to go to school in the city, right off of 7th. He thinks that 7th is behind us. He's telling me directions, and he's the worst at directions. This is just like a video of ranting about you, honey.
Knicks Celtics tonight in the Garden.
It's gonna be a fun night.
You know my man H.
Hey, Ebony. Look how pretty this is. Look, baby. 7th is that way. Oh, look at the colors too, honey. Another thing, because I have to keep complaining.
What?
I said I have to just keep complaining. Is that I walk extremely fast, and Jay has to keep up. Pew. You hear him in the back? You hear how slow he is? He's so far back. Oh my God, I'm cold. There you are. This is different. Wait, so we're sitting in the wrong seat the whole time. No, we're getting closer. Ooh, the lights are turning.
It's like my favorite move. It takes the camera and I'm just like...
Sangria, white sangria. Check-in time is now, check-out time is never.
But it's crazy.
When we add up all those inches, that's gonna make a difference.
The bucket for me. The bucket. Jay,
the ball at home, baby.
Explain.
We lost tonight. It's all right. We missing 3 starters. It's all good, though.
But we bring home
Go,
a bucket.
New York, go, New York, go.
It's for the man cave.